Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akif bin Jafri, and today I will present for the world class manufacturing, which is for the IR 4.0, and the company that I choose is a Yamaha Motor Company. Okay. Next, we move to the company background. The first one is Yamaha Motor Company is a renowned Japanese multinational corporation, and it's found on 1 July 1955 by Genichi Kawakami. The company has its headquarters in Iwata, Shizuoka, in Japan. But then it's initially established as a motorcycle manufacturer. Yamaha Motor actually it has expanded its product range over the years, as we see nowadays. And the Yamaha Motor is primarily is engaged in the manufacturing and sale of motorcycles, marine products, power products, and also other motorized products. And the Yamaha motorcycle actually they are known for their cutting edge technologies and are popular among the motorcycle rider all of age. And the company also has developed the advanced features like the Yamaha chip control throttle, which is known as the YCCT, and the Yamaha chip control intake, which YCCI for the motorcycles. And actually, the company also products actually are available in numerous countries and contributing to its broad customer base and market reach. Includes our nation, which is Malaysia. This for the company background. Next, for the pillars IR 4.0. First one is the advanced robotic they use in the Yamaha. And Yamaha Motor actually utilize the automations and robotics to streamline the manufacturing process and increase productivity. Because the help of the robot actually will easier for them to be more practical, which is fast in production, and also keeps the product always in the high productivity. And actually automated system and robotic arm they are used in this Yamaha to employ for tasks such as the assembly, welding, and material handling, as the body part actually have a bigger, for the example motorcycle like R1, R6, or others, that needs to be more focused in the assembling of the body, welding, and the material handling. That will easy them to keep the best part for the body. And this pillar actually enables Yamaha to achieve high precision, faster production cycle, and improve quality control. Of course, when we use the robot, we can increase the precision and the accurate dimension, and also we can develop more production to comply with the customer, because Yamaha actually have a high market because all of us use the Yamaha motorcycle. So to meet the requirement for the user or meet them, so they need to produce a high product of Yamaha motorcycle. And the next one is for the Internet of Things. Yamaha Motor actually they implements IoT connectivity to create a network of interconnect device and machines. Of course, when we use internet, we can help is to device and machine can be interact together, so it will easy them to push the limits of the machines. And the next one is for the sensor and smart device are used to utilize to collect and transmit real-time data from various manufacturing process. uh, and the use of this sensor actually it help them to be more comfortable to the product that they develop, and they can reduce the time, because nowadays actually it have many production that's use IoT to interact the machines and the product. Then the next one for the Internet of Things is this data is analyzed to optimize productions, motor equipments, performance, and enable predictive maintenance. That's when you use the IoT, it can easy the work that need be done by engineer and technicians to monitor and keep improve the product of Yamaha. And the next one for the pillar is big data and analytic. Yamaha Motor actually harness big data and analytic to gain valuable insights and make data-driven decision. As we know, the big data help to keep the big volume for the data So with this use of big data, they can more more easy to get the data and to keep improve the product. And the data actually collect from the manufacturing process, supply chains, and customer interaction. Yeah, then they be analyzed for process optimizations and efficiency improvement to get the better product that they need. And for the big data also, advanced analytic tool help Yamaha to identify patterns, trends, and area for optimizations, leading to continuous improvement. As you know, Yamaha always keep update the design, a new motorcycle, and if we see, they keep to develop more technology and more compatible to the users to attract the customer to in the product of the motorcycle. Okay, the next one is the cybersecurity. For the pillar cybersecurity, Yamaha actually prioritize the cybersecurity and data privacy to safeguard its digital infrastructure and sensitive information. Of course, we know Yamaha is the top brand or top for the motorcycle. So many company try to copy their product or their design. So Yamaha actually need it to safeguard their design not to be copied by others because to maintain their market. And robot security actually measure implement to protect against cyber threats and unauthorized access. And the privacy practice comply with relevant regulation to ensure customer trust and maintain data integrity. It's used for the cyber security in the Yamaha because data in the all of company data is important, so they need to keep their data or their privacy not uh, to be shared by to be copied by others. And the next one for the pillar is the additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is allowed to produce components in carbon and with the material resistant to very high temperature. Of course, we know as the carbon function, especially is material resistant from the high temperature. Actually, when we use for the part in the engines, so it can cool or it can be more performance for the motorcycle because it reduce the temperature. And also additive manufacturing also is allow for the printing of part lightweight materials that can replace metal parts, which optimize the aerodynamic of the bike. As we know for the motorcycle in Yamaha, we see in the GP, in the MotoGP, we can see many Yamaha actually they develop the shape of the design in the for the body parts and also the cover set of the motorcycle. They try to develop to be more aerodynamic, which is lightweight, to keep the best performance. So this is the good for the Yamaha. And actually it's also function is to reducing the weight and the production time to guarantee compliance with the test deadline. Of course, with the use of the lightweight, of course, we can reduce the production time and they can target to get the best performance because customer will more interested to get the Yamaha. So there's the main target. And we move to the benefit. The first benefit is actually Yamaha to improve operational efficiency, productivity, and cost effectiveness. And when we use the robot, of course, we can get the efficiency of the product, and we also can save the time. Also, we can increase the productivity. As the next one is to enhance product quality, accuracy, and precision. For the third benefit is faster response time, flexibility, and customization capability. Okay, when we choose the pillar from the Yamaha, actually when we see is a faster response time in the productions and also flexible to and customization capabilities to meet the customer requirement. And data driven decision making and predictive maintenance actually is benefits for the because the use of big data. Actually they can have the decision in something that they develop to get the best performance because when we have the data we can analyze and we can keep improve the problem that have in the Yamaha. And the Yamaha motor actually authorized additive manufacturing because to create complex geometries and lightweight structure. This is uh,
they're best for the Yamaha because actually they have the lightweight and the best design. And to optimize the product performance and functionality for the customer. And this is reference from these assignments. And that's all from me. Thank you.